Hi, I'm Dr. Kunal Deep and I'm here to clear some doubts regarding hip replacement surgery. In 3 days after the operation, our physiotherapist will help you climb stairs. In 1 month's time, you will be doing it all by yourself. You can never be too old or too young for a hip surgery. We do not hesitate to suggest hip replacement surgery for a deserving young patient with the right indication. These artificial hips last for more than 20 years and helps increase your life's productivity.